Hi friends, welcome to Moody Blooms. I'm Mary Ellen and today I'm going to show you this cute macrame shelf that I received from a company called Viviby, and they have lots of cute macrame stuff on their site. They also have cute pillows and blankets and placemats and lots of other fun stuff on there. And 3 of my viewers, if you're interested, can get a 50% off code to any of the items on their site. They only ship to the US at this time, so you'd have to be a US resident, and there's lots of fun stuff on there. So I'll put the website down below, and if you're interested in the coupon code, make sure you put that in the comment section that you are interested. But let's go ahead and get this hung up and get some plants on it. Super cute. Now let's add some plants. So we have our succulents on our shelf. Really cute design. There's a close-up of the beads. Yeah, super cute. Here's another look at our macrame plant shelf hanger. And this time I just put one single plant on there. So lots of different options you can do with this. But yeah, it's super cute. Thanks so much for joining us on Moody Blooms today. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. Make sure you please give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful for you. And we hope to see you next time on Moody Blooms.